Have you ever paused to consider how crucial balance is in our everyday lives? From simple tasks like walking and standing to complex movements like dancing or playing sports, balance is an integral part of our lives. But what happens when our sense of balance, that we often take for granted, starts to falter? That's when balance retraining exercises come into play. Balance retraining is a training process designed to improve an individual's ability to maintain body posture and control body movements. It's especially beneficial for older individuals, people recovering from injuries, or those with neurological conditions that affect their balance. There are several types of balance retraining exercises. First, static balance exercises aim to maintain a specific posture for a period, like standing with closed eyes or on one leg. Second, dynamic balance exercises involve movements that change your body's position, enhancing your ability to respond to changing conditions, such as walking on an irregular surface. Third, strengthening exercises can be included as strong muscles help to support your balance. These may include squats or leg curls. Fourth, synchronization exercises help improve anticipatory balance, allowing you to predict and respond correctly before you even lose your balance. Last but not least, proprioceptive and vestibular exercises help in recognizing the body's signals regarding position and movement in space. It's crucial that balance exercises are performed safely, preferably under the supervision of a trained professional, such as a physical therapist, to prevent injuries and ensure the effectiveness of the training. Remember that every training program should be tailored according to the needs, abilities, and goals of the individual. Always seek the advice of a health professional before starting any new training program. To summarize, balance is vital for our daily functioning, and when it's compromised, balance retraining exercises are an effective way to regain control. These exercises can be static or dynamic, involve muscle strengthening, synchronization, or proprioceptive and vestibular training. But remember, always consult with a professional to ensure safety and effectiveness. Balance in life is important, and that includes our physical balance too. So why not give balance retraining exercises a try? They might just tip the scales in your favor.